Hello! In this video, we'll explore how to edit your video in Kickstarter. Once you've selected the video, you'll see a download option. Just click on it to download the video you want to add to Kickstarter. After downloading, open the Kickstarter application. To begin, you'll need to create a project based on your requirements. Once your project is set up, several options will appear. In this basic section, you'll find an Upload a Video option. Simply click on it and select the downloaded video from the file menu. After the video is fully uploaded, it will be visible in your project. Please be patient as it may take some time to process. While the video is processing, you can complete the overall project details. Once everything is done, your video will appear like this, allowing you to play it according to your needs. And that's how you can add a video to Kickstarter. Thank you.